In my last video, I showed you how to make a riro. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made the lafun I enjoyed my riro with. So let's go. These right here are dried processed cassava for making lafun, and I'll be blending all of this into powder form. The next thing I'll be doing is what every beginner should do. If you know that you are not a pro when it comes to making lafun, make sure you do this. Add some of the lafun flour into a small separate bowl, and then you add some water to the lafun flour. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Now I'm just going to be mixing that small portion with water to get a smooth and runny paste. The key word here is smooth. The paste must be smooth without any lumps. This is what you need your paste to be. You can see how smooth it is. Now it's time to cook. I'll pour some water into my pot. For this recipe, I used 3 cups of water. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Leave your comment on this video, share this video, and of course, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Here is my omorogun. Some people call it tony stick, and I'll be using it to make my lafun. As you can see, the water is already boiling, and I have my lafun powder and lafun paste beside me. But first, I'll pour my lafun paste into the hot water first while mixing it immediately. This is the key word, mix immediately. After pouring my lafun paste into it, then the next thing I would do is to start adding the lafun powder into the paste to thicken it. This is necessary so that you have a thick consistency. Lafun has to be thick. It is swallowed for a reason because it's thick. Don't forget to find me on Facebook, the online cook recipes, and of course, follow my page. Thank you. I also have to tell you, I have over 100 amazing recipes on my blog. They are all free recipes, recipes that are beginner friendly. Yes, beginner friendly. So if you know you're interested in learning how to make Nigerian foods, you're interested in Nigerian food recipes, then find my blog on Google, theonlinecook.com, and you will get so many recipes. As you can see, my lafun is thick, yes, but I'm still going to add a little bit more flour. And I'm also going to say the same thing. Please leave your comments on my video, like my video, share my video, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Oh, that will make me so happy. This right here is the texture that I want my lafun to have. So I'm simply going to scrape the lafun that is stuck on my omorogun with a spoon that has been dipped in water. I'm going to show you a hack. If you are tired of your swallow sticking to your spoon when you are scooping it out, add a little bit of vegetable oil to the water and you will see how your swallow will fall off the spoon while you're scooping it out. For this recipe, I used nylon. You can use banana leaves, you can use moi moi leaves, and if you are going to be eating it immediately, I mean right after cooking, then you really don't need to, package it or pack it into anything. Just scoop it on your plate and enjoy. You see what I meant by adding a little bit of vegetable oil? See how everything is just falling off my spoon without leaving, anything stuck on my spoon. Yes, this is what I want. Now I'm just simply going to wrap it. And while I wrap my lafun, I have to say thank you for watching. Remember, good food should be enjoyed always. Till I post my next recipe, make sure you have a lovely time.